Hey, your burger looks weird.
It's not a stupid burger. It's myself. So it's a con!
Toasters. Dinner. Toasters.
So it's a con!
Toasters. Dinner.
Nice. Where there's smoke, they pitch back.
I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking normal pills.
But that bad medicine!
You'll need 'em, son.
Don't look at me like that. And now we're gonna make sure Tails stays in Eggman's pants. You can't kick my side.
I did. Oh. I need you and Tails' souls.
What?
Yes, my.
Well, that was a bit of a letdown.
I'm dizzy and I have serious short-term memory loss. And I have serious
Type 2 adult onset diabetes.
I think it's best if you shut that thing off. We don't want it to reveal my search history.
Shut that thing off before it tells Sonic that I'm going to marry Dr. Eggman. What was he saying?
Hey, I was faster than the Flash.
No way, Egghead. You're not faster than me.
Did I mention I like you, cut G? Tire you to the point of inability, yeah?
Hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep. Oh, come on.
Chocolate chalk and a touch of...
So tell me, Mr. Knuckles, is it? Are you kidding? I'm Tails.
What? That is not true!
Silence! So, could Sonic love me? Knuckles, answer the question! Answer the question, Knuckles! Answer the question!
Steven! Answer the question, Steven! Steven, answer!
Dinner! There is no way we're eating that piece of garbage.
Oh, Knuckles!
Knuckles! Quit eating these
Special scoop of
sauce!
dinner.
How about we go to Amy's restaurant for a little?
Deviant art. No boomerangs, no hammers, no inventions, no spin attacks, no.
Breathing!
Yeah, just breathe.
Oh, no, you don't. I believe I outlawed.
Breathing!
You don't know what I can do or what I'm gonna be! You know I'm bad! I'm bad! You know it! You know I'm bad!
Hey, a quarter! White is black and black is white.
Right is wrong and wrong is right!
Intruders! Get them! Run.
See, your first mistake was going to Sonic for advice on mayonnaise.
The
Ladies!
Yeah, now you're zesty. What women want is someone who's handy.
I like a guy who's handy.
Remember,
Women don't find you handsome. They should at least find you handy.
As a bear, man, I could fix this with my buddy. However, it would be quicker with Tails' girlfriend!
classic Tails.
We should totally form a posse.
No, I don't need a posse. I get it on by myself. Harry Gish.
I'll use the window. Fail.
Cheer up!
I didn't like that movie. That Sonic wasn't anything like me.
Sonic, you just don't understand.
No. But that movie, that Sonic wasn't anything like me.
Sonic, you just don't understand.
No. But the second you find something boring on YouTube, you're gonna be dead.
Don't be silly, Sonic. Like TV is never boring. Poop. Whoop.
Bomb, bomb, bomb.
not be able to build a be able to bear workshop.
Thinking of segues. You will regret this. So, have you ever tried to spot? Oh, what is?
If someone tries to touch.
My name's not really Tommy Thunder either. It's Erwin.
Sorry, Erwin. Zero's my limit.
Thunder either. It's Erwin.
Sorry, Erwin. Zero's my limit.